Hi, welcome back. And today we are going to study about these two important concepts right here, that is capital expenditure and the other one is revenue expenditure. As the name suggests, capital, it looks very heavy name, and revenue, it looks very light. Let's see what are the differences between these two and how can we use it in the case of a fixed asset. Let me remove this first and yeah. Okay, so let's study an example first and then decide what are capital and what are revenue. So this is a very common example, that is vehicle repairs and maintenance or enhancements. Okay, and this is maintenance. Automobiles are a useful way of looking at the difference between repair and maintenance expense and capitalized modification. Okay, routine repairs such as brake pad replacement are recorded as repairs and maintenance. They are an expected part of owning a vehicle. Okay. However, a car may be modified to change its appearance or performance. For example, if a supercharger is added to a car to increase its horsepower, the car's performance is increased. The cost should in, the cost should be included as a part of the vehicle asset. Likewise, if replacing the engine of an older car extends its useful life, the cost would also be capitalized. So what is it trying to say in the example is, suppose you have a bike at your home, suppose you have a car, okay, this is a car right here, and the car has completed its 1 lakh kilometer, hence it is asking for you to service, that is oil change and brake pad clearance and yeah, all those basic services that is needed after a completion of a certain kilometers. Okay, so this looks like repairs and maintenance, because this is general repair and general maintenance which is essential for the car. Now the same car, if you decide to change the tires, change tires, okay, let's change engine. If you have decided to change the engine just to increase the horsepower of that car, okay, it will increase the horsepower of that car, hence this expenditure will be treated as capital expenditure. Why this is a capital expenditure? Because it is increasing the value of the asset, and this repair and maintenance expenditure will be treated as revenue expenditure because it is maintaining the value of the asset. It is not enhancing the asset. Okay, it is maintaining the same condition. Looks like this concept is not clear, that which to classify and which to not classify as capital and revenue. We'll do more examples and see that if it is clear, then this right here is capital and this right here is revenue. Let's study the difference between them first. Incurred in acquiring or improving permanent assets not meant for resale may add to the value of an existing asset. It is a routine expenditure incurred in the normal course of business and includes cost of sale and maintenance of fixed asset. Okay, so this is only for fixed asset. That is one thing we know for sure. Fixed assets. Okay, these both. Now it is improving while it is only a routine expenditure. Let's see the second one. It increases the earning capacity while it maintains the earning capacity. Suppose you have a machinery and there is a routine, there is a maintenance of that machinery, just oil change and just cleaning of that machine, then it means it is a maintenance. While you purchased an add-on to that machine so that it can produce more quantity, that will be increase in the earning capacity. Okay, the third one right here is it increases the, it is normally non-recurring outlay. Okay, it is a recurring item. Yeah, that is pretty obvious that. Okay, so it is non-repetitive in nature. It is repetitive in nature. That is, suppose you want to change the car engine. Now you won't be changing car engine every month or every year, right? Hence, it is one time in nature, mostly, normally, right? And it is usually repetitive in nature. That is, maintenance and service of car is needed every month or after every kilometer. Hence, it is non-repetitive and it is repetitive. Okay. It produces benefits over several years, thus a small part changes. What is it trying to say is that if we change the engine of the car, that is engine change, that change will be utilized over several years, okay? And if we maintain, if we just service the car, then that service will be reutilized. That service will be utilized for only 1 year, and after that it will ask for service again. Okay, looks very legit. It is an item of balance sheet. It is shown in trading and profit and loss account. We'll study this when we'll try practical solving of this. Coming back to this example again, and yeah, okay. What is it trying to say? Automobiles are a useful way of looking at difference. Routine repairs such as brake pad replacement are recorded as repairs and maintenance expense, that is revenue expense. Okay, revenue expense. While if you change a car supercharger just to add horsepower to it, it will be a capital expense because the performance will be increased, and yeah, and the life of that car, it will also extend the useful life of that car. Now let's check out some examples on our own, that is right here, classifying related expenditure. Let's see if we can crack them. Normal repair and maintenance on the manufacturing facility. So is it repair or is it capital? It is revenue or is it capital? Normal repair and maintenance looks like it is repetitive in nature and it will not add to the value of the asset. And what were the conditions? Routine expenditure maintains earning capacity consumed in one accounting year. Yes. So it will be consumed in one accounting year also. And yeah, so looks like revenue expenditure. Now this right here, that is cost of taxes on new equipment used in business operations. Okay, so we have purchased the new equipment that is of rupees 100, and suppose we have imported it, then we have to pay custom duty on it. That means suppose the custom duty is 10 rupees, that is 10%. But if you choose to not pay this custom duty, will that machine be imported? No, hence this custom duty is very essential and it is one time in nature, which will make the value of the asset, that is 110. So it will add to the value of the asset. Whenever you buy a new equipment, you should always remember this. Whenever you buy a new equipment, the taxes that are paid for it, or all the setting up cost, and the setting up cost of that equipment is 100 rupees, The transportation is 20 rupees. Okay, and these are all essential, then only the production can start, hence the total comes to 230. So this is very essential in nature, and these are one time expenditures, and the total value of asset that will be in our books will be 230 instead of 100, because without these expenditure we won't be able to make machine fit to use. Hence whatever is expended to make it fit to use is also a capital expenditure. Make sure that I use the word also. Okay, so this right here is cost of taxes on new equipment, that is revenue and capital, and this one is revenue, this one looks capital. It will increase the cost of the asset. Okay, let's write here only revenue, capital, shipping cost on new equipment used in business operation. Okay, so shipping cost is essential to make it fit to use, otherwise we won't be able to get the delivery of the machine, hence it is a capital expenditure. Cost of minor repair on existing equipment used in business operation, minor repair, it is a revenue expenditure. Okay, let's see the solution. Normal repair and maintenance revenue, capitalized, cost of minor repair revenue. Okay, now we know that how to classify what is revenue and what is capital, but what do we do after we know it? Okay, so all the capital expenditure and all the revenue expenditure. Capital expenditure will add to the value of the asset, that is increase the value of the asset. Hence, where is the asset shown in the financial report? That is balance sheet. And then depreciation will be charged on them, that is the total new value. Okay, and P&L. And this expenses right here will not increase the value of the asset and will only affect income and expenses, that is mostly indirect expenses. Indirect expense. Okay, yeah, and there will be no depreciation. Okay, so yeah, in the next lecture we'll try to make some of our own capital and revenue expenditure on the machinery that we already have. So happy expanding.